Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop Virtual File Manager module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to add the virtual files to a product. But before we go to the Prestashop back office to see all the functionalities that this module offers, let me just tell you how this module can be very beneficial for you. As we all know that e-commerce domain is continuously developing and taking all kinds of product in its ambit to serve their customers better. With the addition of all these products, the chances, or you can say the necessity to provide specific details or guidelines to use the product has become even more necessary. In case if you don't provide enough information about the product or its use or its installation, say, the customer satisfaction will be at very low level, you can say. So not only this file manager module can help you to satisfy your customers with enough information about guidelines to use the product or installation process, whatever deems fit for the product. So now let's just go to the Prestashop back office when we have known all the benefits of the module to see all the functionalities of the module. As you can see that I have already installed this module in my Prestashop. As this module doesn't contain any specific set of configuration settings, so I'll just show you what extra options have been added by this module in the back office. Under the catalog section, a new tab of Virtual File Manager is added after the installation of the module. After clicking on this tab, you will land on this page where you can add as many files as you want. After clicking on the Add New File button, you will land on this page. In the module, there are basically two ways to upload files or documents as a file in this module or in your Prestashop. The first process is from the system and the second process is via an external link. We'll see each of them one by one, but let's just see the system one. In case of system, you can simply upload any file from your native system or native laptop, whatever you are using. Let's just add a file here. You can choose to keep a file name also, which will be shown to the customer at the order confirmation page. Let's just name this. Whether you want to keep this file as enabled or not, you can also choose that. In case if you disable this option, then you will not be able to add this file to a product. The process of adding a file to the product, I'll be explaining it just in this video after a few minutes. But let's just save this file. As you can see, we have successfully saved this file. The file was uploaded here. It was not via an external link, so no external link option or the details are available in the list. The name of the file is available. You can also choose to save a file via an external link. But in case of external link, all things are same, like file name, enabling or disabling the file. Just you would have to mention the link from where you are providing the file. It could be a drive link or it could be your local server, anything. You can provide the link of that from where you will be allowing your customer to download the file. Make sure your file is publicly accessible so that your customer can download that file easily from anywhere. Now, when we have seen the process of adding a file, now let's just go to the product section to see how it's added to a product. As you see, this is a laptop product. You might as well know that these kind of products may require. I am not saying that only this product. It's just for an example that there are many kinds of products that do require additional information to be provided to the customer. There can be many products of that category. After the addition of the module, under the module section, you will find the tab of Virtual Product File Management here. Click on the configuration button to proceed. After clicking on the configuration button, you would see a button to attach files. You can attach multiple files to a product for your information. After clicking on that button, this pop-up will open. As you have seen, or we have seen, that we already added only one file, so only listing of only that file is shown here. In case if we have added multiple files in the virtual file manager section, either via external link or from system, listing of all those would be shown here. And in order to attach a file, you need to check out the box and click on the save changes. But before attaching a file, let me just explain you each options available here in the table. You can also set an expiration date for this file, after which this file will be no longer accessible by the customer, in case if he has not downloaded it yet from his order confirmation page. After that, the next option is of number of days. You can choose to set a specific number of days up to which a customer can download the file. Let's just say in a customer on day 1 of the month orders a product and you set here number of days as 7, then on the 8th of that month that customer will be no longer able to download this file. After that, the next option is times downloadable. This is the number of times that you are allowing your customer to download the file. Keeping the previous example intact here, in case if a customer has ordered a product on 1st of the month and downloaded the file twice, and you have set the number as times downloadable 2, then even though 5 days or 6 days are left before the expiration date, he will or she will be no longer able to download the file. So let's just save it first to see what changes it brings to the front end, or how this user guide can be downloaded by the customer. First, save these changes. Click on the save button. After saving that file or all the settings for a file, You can also see the list of all the files attached to the product here. In case if this product got too many files, then listing of all those files or name of all those files will be available here too. Now let's just go to the front end and we'll try to order this product. We'll just wait until the order is confirmed. As you can see that the order is confirmed here. After the confirmation of the order, a customer can go back to the order history section to see if any file is available here or not. As you can see, there is no link to download the file attached to this product. This is only because the admin has not yet received the payment or has not updated the status to payment received or any of the status above that. So let's just go back again and change the status of the order. This may take a while. As you can see, we have successfully updated the status of the order. Now let's just see if any link appears on this page. As you can see, a new section for the attached files is now available on this order details page under the account section of the customer. From here, a customer can successfully download the file by clicking on the download button, and the name of the file will be same whatever you have set in the add file section. So in this way you can easily provide your customers multiple files for any product, and it will help your customers to use your product in a better way. So this was all about the Prestashop virtual file manager module. I hope this video helps you to use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.